Hi, I'm Karthik. Welcome back to my MarkTalk channel. In this video, I'm going to detail you about Go High Level Service. Service are important component where we can use it for onboarding as well as for review of your local business service. Like how was your service? You can like collect feedback from the customers and improve upon the things the customers likes to. Let's dive into the details, and these are the wide range of topic I'm going to cover within the service. Service can be found in the sites and funnels. So form service, we have already seen forms and other things. Now, for the service we are going to cover these topics. One is like slide numbering, conditional logic, slide jump, chord versus questions jump, priority, disqualify, on submit, survey theme customization, survey triggers flow. Slide numbering is nothing but you can on default the Go level allocates slides for each and everything. You can add any number of slides. Slides are nothing but just you have to just cards or slides, you can call it anyway, and you can just plug and play the fields you like to have. It's similar to what we have seen in the forms. I will link to the forms video. Do check out that too. These are the way you can construct different slides, and if you don't want a particular slide also, you can just delete it. Yeah, this is how you can make and delete a slide. And I have created a survey with the regular fields like, and if at all I want to move this one, just wait, this one to the third position, you can share the number or like also you can customize the naming also. This way you can see what is the slide numbers here. Sorry, I have to drag and drop it to change the slide numbers. Now it's been moved to slide position 1. It actually shows where the slide is. Even if you rename, you can see what is the slide name here. Survey, sorry. So you have to drag and drop it, okay. And the other thing is like we have collected custom fields, right? Full name, phone, city, sorry, the standard fields. Now if at all you say if you are a tattoo artist, or like you have a gym and you are promoting your gym, but as per local US laws, you can accommodate a person whose age is above 18 for a particular set of program you have. Then you can make the survey. You can make a conditional logic of for a particular custom field question, and you can include that in the in a slide, and then you can, based on the responses, you can give two kinds you can like branch out basically depending on the customer input. Say if at all I'm having a what is your age field, below 18 and above 18. If if a customer is below 18, I have chosen an option called disqualify immediately. You can disqualify immediately or disqualify after submit. What is the difference between disqualify immediately? Means the customers won't be shown the further questions or the further slides. Disqualify after submit means the customers will be allowed to submit the other future the following slides also, but after submission of the survey, it will just stop you are not qualified for this. So this is how this disqualify immediately and disqualify after submit works. Save survey. I will just show you what in the real time how it looks. Just click link. Just a demo data would be fine. you can see the progress bar here, the how much is the customer questions the customer has progressed here. What is your age? Say if I choose a below 18, then it's disqualifies immediately and stating that you are not eligible for the treatment as per your status. Wait for your turn until you turn 18. This is happening just because I have for this conditional logic I have enabled, not for the slide but for the conditional question I have chosen disqualify immediately. Also another thing what I have done is, if I have to go to option, and you can see in the option there would be customizable options available, like on submit what should happen, and disqualify immediately what should happen, and disqualify after submit what should happen. These are the three options. On submit means the regular customer proceeds through all the slides and completes the survey. What should happen, whether it should redirect to a website, or like you have to just throw a message as I have shown, as just I shown there, or like and the second part is like message disqualify immediately. The same two options, you are not eligible. I have customized this text, that's why it's showing like that. And disqualify after submit, you can also disqualify the customer after submit, after getting all the inputs for all the sites. It depends on the business case you have. I have disqualified the customer, but what if I have a customer who is like above the age of 18? Just go back to, you can use click the integrate survey, and you can use this embed script and embed this iframe into your website or anywhere you like to have, or like you can just click the link and share it in the email sequence you are sending out to the customers. Full name 480 1, sorry, 2. And what is your age? 18 or above. Say that it's not throwing the disqualifying questions, it's progressing to the next set of questions. Please read the following questions carefully and share your correct answers. This is happening just because I have added a text slide just with the text, and then I have added which treatment you like to prefer. This is again a custom field. I have already shown you how to add custom fields. Just wait, I have to click again the builder to come back to this survey homepage. Custom fields you can add custom field. You can just choose drop down or the radio select or the checkbox for the conditional logic things, and you can do any questions you like to have. Wow. Hand treatment or slimmer slide. Conditional logic is like which treatment they have opted. That is very like a customization of the messages going out. Workflow trigger is like, workflow trigger is, yeah, the bad thing is like I haven't named it good. Disc survey, just survey disqualified, because otherwise you won't know like which trigger you have using for this survey disqualified and survey submitted. Now choose an if else or so that you can branch out the customers. Yes, survey disqualified. So the customers with who are disqualified, so then we can send a message like, or like wait for 1 month, 30 days, and then you can send a message, don't subscribe to our letter for all updates, treatment to serve you. Return 18. And this way you can like with liposuction, treatment. Looking forward. So body sculpting, body contact details, treatment. Which treatment you prefer is body sculpting. So now we have branched out the customers who are disqualified in the initial phase itself, and survey. I can also rename this conditions also to for better in the future. Condition is treatment